Today I'm going to show you one restaurant which is typical pasta from Bari, the killer spaghetti, famous as the original name is spaghetti all'assassina. Guys, welcome to Urban L'Assassineria. Sit down because today this pasta is going to surprise. So let's go inside, let's go meet the owner, let's see this concept, and most importantly, watch until the end to learn how this spaghetti all'assassina will get your eyes and will get your heart. Let's go inside.
Ciao Vito.
Thank you so much, Celso.
You're welcome in my restaurant. Celso, nice to meet you. How are you?
Fantastic. This is my first time here and I can't wait. I'm here, you know why I'm here.
Yeah,
Please
I can imagine.
Please tell me something about this amazing concept.
Okay.
Because I know that you are the only one in, probably in Italy,
yeah,
to have this concept.
Yeah, probably.
Of assassineria. Guys, they make only one type of pasta, like me, only pizza. But one type of pasta, but in a different way, which we are going to see in this video. Please tell me, what's this urban?
Okay, actually it's quite similar to a pizzeria because we are specialized in spaghetti all'assassina, this typical plate from Bari. So we have the classic one that is just made with tomato sauce, chili and garlic oil.
The one that we are going to taste today.
Absolutely. But I used to think about this plate like a pizza, so I top with some stracciatella cheese that is the heart of burrata, or we made another version like with topping with cacio e pepe fondue and tuna tartare, or we made the one with some anchovies,
so
capers,
it's like
and
it's
chili.
like they choose. So the customer choose the pasta or just one type of pasta.
The type of pasta is just
only one, so they choose the topping.
Just spaghetti. They choose the
spaghetti with different toppings.
Yes.
It's an amazing concept. So
thank you very much indeed.
It's enough talking and
let's go. I can show you.
Teach me, and then it's the same thing that we are teaching these guys right there.
Okay, fantastic. Let's go.
So guys, go ahead, subscribe, like, and share. Wait until the end to see the pasta. Let's go.
Let's go.
Andiamo. So it's always nice to be behind the scenes here.
Ah, fantastic. Welcome to my kitchen, Vito.
No problem. Thank you. Fantastic. We are ready.
Yes, absolutely.
So I'm here.
First of all, we have to do the tomato sauce. Because for do the assassina, the killer spaghetti.
Me lo so, I don't want to get dirty. Do you have an apron?
Yes, it's coming.
Oh, grazie.
Thank you, Gianni. Grazie.
Thank you. Okay, we are ready to rock and roll.
Fantastic.
We are ready to rock and roll.
First of all, we need to do tomato sauce, the classic Italian tomato sauce. So we need peeled tomato, a bit of onion, and extra virgin olive oil.
I'm ready to rock and roll, Celso.
Fantastic. So we put some fire on the water so it starts boiling.
Okay.
Then fire also for the tomato sauce. Olive oil.
Okay. Oh, you want me to do that?
Yeah,
okay.
You're here for that.
That's it?
Yes,
simple,
that's after we put
onions,
fresh basil.
You break it.
Yeah, we break
like
it
the same
on
thing
it.
we do on the pizza.
Yeah, it's the same. And then we put
tomato sauce.
Yes, peel it.
Oh, we were gonna wait or no?
No, we can start because I want not to deep and fry it, but just start to cook.
Okay, so actually the whole peel. Okay.
Yeah,
right.
the whole mind of your apron.
The whole there. So that's 2 cans of tomato.
Yes, 2 cans of 3 kilos of tomato.
Fantastic.
And then we just put a little bit of water to.
This way we save the.
To don't waste.
That's basically the sauce that we need to make this spaghetti.
Absolutely.
Voila.
Then we put just a bit of salt and pepper.
A pinch.
A pinch of salt.
Maybe a little bit more.
And half a pinch of pepper. Yeah.
Fine pepper.
Yes, black one. And then we need to wait that it cooks. So
how long?
Could be 40-50 minutes maximum, no more. After it's cooked, we need to, with a blender, to blend it to make it,
like this.
Like this, yeah.
So,
and this is ready to use it.
Beautiful. That's the sauce already made after 40 minutes. Can I
Yes,
taste a little bit?
absolutely. You have to. If we need, we
Lovely.
can. If the
You can adjust.
Yeah, we can adjust with some bit of sugar if it's too acid, the tomato sauce.
American style.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we got all the stuff to do the assassina.
Fantastic. So I'm gonna move this right here, this way, still cooking this way.
Perfect.
Later on, we can give some details to my friends here.
Grazie.
Voila. Hold on, the flame, high flame or low flame?
High flame in the beginning. When it starts to boil, we have to
Lower
turn
down.
it down. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So right now it's high flame. Okay, perfect. Done. Now let's go ahead and do the second step.
How we said before, we got some
Garlic
garlic
olive
oil.
oil.
We made just with fresh garlic and extra virgin olive oil blended. So we put garlic oil, some chili flakes.
Fantastic. You need really high flame on that.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. The quantity of.
So if they have an induction kitchen,
Yeah.
it's gonna be hard to do.
Actually, not.
Okay.
When I used to teach the assassina in some private courses, I used the induction one. So it's perfect one. Also the induction for doing.
Guys, this guy here is the master of
Thank you.
assassina. Coming soon to United States? Question mark, maybe.
We are trying to.
Okay.
We're planning and try to. I don't know.
Well, all the info is gonna be on the description.
Yeah.
Here we go, the pasta.
The pasta, spaghetti. Typical
this
Italian.
This number.
Is the granola
Number 12.
one is number 12. You need 12 minutes of cooking in the classic way.
Aha. So
And
you don't
then-
put it in the.
Absolutely not. We
So that's not wrong, actually.
No. It's correct because we used to cook like a risotto.
Got it. Okay.
If
I
you-
didn't know.
It's the same for this pasta. So we toast the spaghetti to make it crunchy.
Yeah.
Then we put tomato sauce, cooked tomato sauce, and hot water.
Got
And
it.
let it cook like a risotto. The difference between a risotto is that when it's coming to is cooked al dente, you finish and let it dry on the pot, so it starts to burn it in the pot and make.
So the black is not actually like burned.
Is a bit of burn, but not too much
It
because
gives a nice, good flavor. When do you know that it's ready?
for the color. You have to got the pasta like this, like a biscuit color. When the 80% of pasta is like the one I show you.
You have to keep moving it, or
Yeah, you have to keep it with two.
I'm getting nervous. It looks like it's burning in the bottom.
Yeah. Then we put 2 spoons of tomato sauce.
2 scoops.
2 scoops, sorry.
No more. Here we go. The fun part.
And the hot water. 2 scoops also.
1. Woo! Up and going. Woo! Here we go, the flame. So now,
We need to wait it. This is time of patience.
hopefully we don't burn the camera right there.
Oh.
Patient. Okay, so how long?
You have to wait 2 times of the time of cooking of the pasta. So, if pasta needs 12 minutes like this, we have to wait 24 minutes.
Got it.
If the pasta...
24.
Yeah,
My God.
double time.
Like that, with the high flame and everything.
And yeah, when it starts to dry it, you have to put
Oh, you add the water and the
and
tomatoes.
tomatoes. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Until it cook. When we will be cooked, we finish and finish burn it.
Fantastic. So we're gonna speed up this. How
Yeah.
long is gonna take? You say right now for this pasta?
Could be 20 minutes, 20
20 minutes. Okay. I'll see you in a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, Vito.
Yes. Finally.
Using your sense, you can start to feeling that is
It's ready.
quite
Yeah,
ready
I can
because
tell.
of the smell the
Smells
burning.
the burn, yeah.
And also using your ears, you can hear the like
Yes.
creaking. Yeah. So we need to.
We're actually gonna get. Oh, I see the black over there.
Yeah.
So you might think that that's burn.
A
That's
bit.
actually burn, but that's what the typical pasta assassina is.
Yeah. It's like the top of the lasagna.
They might ask, is this healthy?
Okay, it's not healthy to eat every day of your life,
Yeah.
but like everything in the kitchen, you know,
Yeah, of
also
course, like the meat and everything.
the meat, the dip and fry, you cannot fry everything every day.
I'm making more right here.
Fantastic, grande
So
Vito.
I learned. So that's how you do it. Simple. So that's about to be ready, no?
Yes, we put just a little bit of tomato just to make it more creamy, more smooth.
Okay, yeah, otherwise it's too dry.
Yes, that's it. Shake it a little bit.
My mouth is watering. Get all the burn there from the sides.
Yeah.
Put in the pasta.
And that's it.
Spaghetti all'assassina. That means, actually in English, you know, the murderer.
Yeah. Killer spaghetti.
Yeah, killer. Killer
uh,
spaghetti.
Actually, New York Times say like killer spaghetti.
You've been in the New York Times too, right?
Yeah, a couple of weeks ago. So, here we are. We are ready. Ready for it.
So what do you do now? That's it. It's ready.
Just eat it.
But I saw you put your touch. You put your touch at the end.
Yeah. Okay.
Burrata?
If you want, we can put some stracciatella on top, not burrata.
Ah, okay.
So the heart of burrata.
I want to show these guys why I'm here for. Okay, we are ready for the moment of the truth, the plate.
Yeah.
It's plated before going to the table and eating this pasta.
Look at that.
I want you to taste this pasta with me, eh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow. Perfect plate. And then here we go with the stracciatella on top.
Yeah.
Which is stracciatella, guys, is the stuff inside the burrata.
The heart of burrata, yeah, correctly. Typical one.
We
Puglia
both come
cheese.
from Puglia, so that's why. Let me put this on the table before eating it. You have to get these details here of this best pasta all'assassina, the killer pasta or the murderer pasta.
I prefer killer one.
The murderer is too
It could
ugly.
be too strong.
Yeah,
it's
too strong.
ugly.
Okay, fantastic. The moment of the truth. Chelsea. Woo!
Let's go.
You got the beautiful seat in your restaurant here. Fantastic.
It's quite strange for me. I sit here.
Yeah, it's okay. You are the owner of this restaurant. You have to sit and enjoy your pasta
Grazie.
all'assassina, the killer pasta. And now it's time to taste. So that's how you do, huh? You mix everything, the stracciatella with the burrata. Can't wait. Wow. And now it's time. Pronto? Vai, cin cin.
Cin cin. Crunchy, a little bit
What? Spicy.
spicy.
We should have a cup of milk.
Milk, yeah.
But you know, the stracciatella, it makes sense now. What a flavor. Insane. You taste the burn, you taste the crunchy, you taste the sweet of the stracciatella, and then the spicy. It's insane. Guys, try to make this at home. Tag me on Instagram, check him out on Instagram. What's the Instagram page?
Urban Assassineria Urbana.
And also, all the information are in the description if you might come to Bari, but coming soon, maybe the United States of America.
We are trying to. We're planning
Try,
to.
don't try, do it.
Okay.
Thank you so much, so we're gonna enjoy this pasta. Thank you so much for watching, and viva l'assassina, spaghetti killer. Wow, I even got the t-shirt. Guys, they also have merchandise, but I wanna say something. This pasta was something really touchable, something that you really will remember. Wow, I have to say, Urban really got my memory. That was impressive. So, nothing. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao.